Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we're gonna use part Workbench and we want to make grand hook. For this tutorial, we're gonna learn how to use sweep and revolve. For detail, let's check it out. Okay, to start, we need to add a blueprint as our reference when drawing. Put in the exit plan. After that, we need to make some line reference. This line reference will be our guide to make sure that the image that we put is already scale 1. Add line. Okay, there is some dimension in the sketch is will be used. Oops, oh, mistake. 5x5. Okay, you can see that the image and the line is too big difference, so we need to scale up it until the line is matching with the image dimension. Click add the dimension that we want to be the reference of scaling. Click first line and select second point, then click OK. Change the transparency to be 50% so we can easily to see our sketch. After that, try to centering the origin of the drawing, matching with our origin. Click OK. At the next part, let's drawing another sketch. I'm going to start with the line. You can follow the dimension that shown in the blueprint at the background. It makes you easily to put any geometry. So the geometry that we put not so big difference with our blueprint. Okay, if our geometry is still wide, we need to add some constraint dimension. Let's add a dimension 3 to 5. Still wide, it means we need to add more. Okay, the curve already green, but the line is not yet. We need to add vertical dimension for this one, 0. Next, let's continue making another arc. This arc is centered on this point, So by using image reference, you can easily to put your sketch following the image at the background, and it will faster your working flow. So, and also you can detect if any dimension is not proper. You can easily detect it by see the matching between our sketch and the image reference. Okay, let's add a dimension on that point. Put 28. It's already green, and let's adding a connection line between that point. Next, let's adding some arcs again. Okay, we need to add a constraint. Let's starting with the radius 200. The center radius also have to be changed. RD 32. Okay, next step, let's drawing another arc, but I think we need to make some reference. Okay, let's adding reference from the center radius to the that point, and then add angle constraint. (180 minus 8 is 172. Yes. Next step, let's add dimension following the line dimension 535, and add the arc. Oops. It's already. Add a circle and tangent with another curve. Okay, then you can see there is dimension 100 and the radius is 28. It means the height of the center radius is 100 minus 28. Oops. Okay. Yep. 100 subtract by 28. Okay. 72. But you can see that our curve is still wide, so we need to make sure which area is not yet constrained well. Okay, still 3 degrees of freedom. You can try to moving a point to find out which area is not yet constrained. So for example, that point, it's not yet constrained to the line. So add a point to line constraint. Oops, I forget to add a radius that circle, rest 28. Which area is not yet constrained? That's area. By moving the line or the curve or some point, we can find out which area is not yet constrained. So next we need to constrain the center radius of this curve by adding a horizontal dimension 20x. Yep. Our sketch is already green. Don't forget to turn to be reference are our reference, so it will be not shown when we exit the sketch. Add another sketch. At the exit plan, and let's draw another curve. Always starting with the easy one, that's why I always choosing the straight line. Let's add a vertical dimension. Yep. The next, we need to drawing curve 240 curve radius. Okay. Add an angle 35 degree and add radius 240, but you can see that our line still wide. I think we need to add vertical dimension. Oops, I mistake. 290. Next, drawing arc again. We will use that line as a reference of the angle 35 degree, and then connect point and line. Okay, let's add a vertical dimension for the center radius. Then let's add a radius for this arc 80. then connect this arc to this arc. Let's drawing line reference and adding the angle constraint 180 minus 11. Then connect that point to the line reference. Yep, the curve already green. Let's continue by making another arc. At radius 335. At the next step, we need to drawing a circle also. We using edge link to connect with another sketch. Tangent. Okay, connect the line and the point. This point ups and this circle up. Okay, this point, this circle. Then oops, no, what happened? Okay, let's try again. This point, this circle, then connect. I don't know what happened before, but just forget it. So now remain 2 degrees of freedom because our line reference doesn't have any dimension of length. After adding the length dimension, it's already turned green. And don't forget to set our reference as reference geometry. That's enough. Let's get out. The next step, we need to draw some section profile of the crane hook. So what we need to do is adding some sketch using this point as a reference. No. Okay, good sketch. That's good. Using translate, it means that the plane that we use for drawing is offsetting from the zero origin. Okay, next we draw a circle as the section profile and using edge link to project another curve that will be connected with our profile. By the way, I'm sorry if my English is difficult to understand. I'm Indonesian and yep, as you can see, as you can hear that some of my pronunciation is not correct. Next, let's drawing another section using a section that is exactly in the horizontal section. let's use XY plane. Okay, radius 360 and radius 180. Let's draw a arc 360. Okay. Okay. This profile is symmetry, so we need to add a symmetry constraint. Yeah, that's the constraint. Click this point, the line and the point. Yep, it's constrained by X plane or X line, sorry. Then let's add another arc, but before that we need to constrain it with another sketch. Yep, it's already coincidence. Let's adding another arc. And symmetry it also those both point (180). Then constrain it with another sketch. This sketch basically will be used the rail, and our section profile have to be attached to the rail of the crane hook. 180 and the small radius 18. Let's connecting that arc using the line like this. Okay. Okay, let's add a fillet radius. Make sure that your sketch still symmetry by X line, because sometimes when we adding some fillet, our constraint is missing because some line is trimmed, so we need to repeat again. Okay, add a radius of the fillet 18 mm. Next step, let's add dimension 140 and 56. Using vertical dimension, click this point and 140, and another this point and this point 56. Okay, the profile already green, it means that it's well constrained. Then exit. Let's add another profile in the YZ plane. let's start by drawing a arc. Okay. Just now I'm just hiding the image. When you want to hiding some item, you just select it and press spacebar, so it will be hiding. At 150 and 150. Guys, I hope you can still understand my English, because of some pronunciation I realized that I mistaken. Oops. Let's add point coincidence. Oops. That's 2 point also, point coincidence. Okay. Let's connect these two sketches. I don't know why, even though I already using Freecad almost a year, I'm still don't forget. I'm still don't remember the position of the tool, and sometimes I need to looking for the position of the tool, and sometimes it taking times. Let's add radius 28, and another fillet radius 28. And the next step is add a horizontal dimension 118 and 75. Just to remind you that to hide and unhide some item, you just press spacebar. Okay, the profile already green, it's fully constrained. Let's go to the next step. Okay, we need to draw some circle between these two points using O, X, Y. Yep, the plane already shown. Add a circle. Connect the point and the circle. Oops, we need to add edge link, and then connect again the circle and the point. It's already green. It's been finished. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna adding the sketch. Oops, no. Okay. I'm gonna adding another section profile on that point. Let's draw a circle again, and using edge link. After that, connect it the point and the line. Yep. So everything already done. I mean the sketch is done. Let's rename it every sketch to make it easily to find out. I renamed the sketch following the sequence of the sweep. So the first profile I'm using profile 1, and the last profile is named by profile 5, and the rail I name it by rail 1 and rail 2. The rail is the sweep path of our sweeping profile. Okay, go to part workbench, and then using sweep I mean, and then choose profile 2, 3, 4, 5, and then sweep path. Don't forget to turn on the create solid. Okay, then holding the control button and click the edge that we want to be used as the path. Okay. Yep. No, I'm making mistake. Okay, select the profile 1, okay, I'm lost in. I confused how to do. Let's add dimension 240. Direction is -1z. Okay. Yo, still have a gap between, that's too solid. $260. Delete the first extrude. Okay. Next step, let's drawing some sketch by using that surface. Go to Sketcher, Quick Sketch, Flat Face, then OK. Let's draw a circle, but let's adding the edge link to make it our sketch coincidence with the sweep profile. Okay, let's using 3 rim points. Click 3 points, basically up to you, but I will choose those points as our reference of making the circle. Yep, our circle already done. Then let's adding the line between the circle and trim the circle so it's become half. Trim. That's okay. You can see that the half circle is not yet constrained, so we need to add some constraint. Oops, yeah. Okay. Yep, it's fully constrained. Let's exit and try to revolve the half circle so it can be the ball, half ball. Go to Part, Workbench, and then choose a revolve. Choose the X as the direction. I think we need to drawing some line again to be our reference when revolve the circle. Yep, it's not working. Delete. Okay, go to Sketcher and drawing the line reference as the axis of our revolve. Just drawing random line like that. Okay, it's ready now. Go to part workbench again, select sketch 7, revolve, and then select reference. Okay, then input 180 because we just need a half. I think we need to reverse the rotation. How to do that? I confused. Better repeat again. Select revolve. Let's try to add minus 80, minus 180. Still not correct. Put 180 again. I think we need to using the revolve direction in the x minus, so let's delete again and revolve once again. I hope it can be worked now. Direction minus 1. We select reference line. It's annoying. Okay, then put 180 degrees. What happened? Why I cannot revolve in the correct direction? Yep, that's that I want. Okay, next step, let's adding a top shape. Is kind of small cylinder, and there is some edge fillet. It's like a shaft that will be connected with another equipment. I think it's difficult if we starting by using a circle and a pad. It's better we draw the profile in the exit plane and revolve it by using Z axis. Go to Sketcher and create sketch in the exit plane. Let's edge link that to rail. Sorry, I mean better to using just one side and revolve it by the Y axis, I mean the Z axis. Okay, I repeat again, making the line 80mm. I think better I moving that image reference close to the sketch, so I doesn't need to moving to the image to the sketch. It's taking time. Okay, let's draw again. That's what I say to you, that when we adding some fillet radius, it trimming the some line and making the curve. And when they trimming the line, sometimes they delete our constraint, and we need to constrain it again. 78 divided by 2. I think that line is too far. Okay. Oh, I make mistake. The diameter is 90, not 106. So okay. $39. No, oops. Mistake. I think I'm starting to tired. It's already midnight now. Okay, at 45. Constraint. Let's add a chamfer. $60. 100 150 150 175. Okay. At the angle 135 degrees. Okay, then add some fillet radius. Three millimeter. Yeah, the fillet once again ruin my sketch. need to add again the distance of this profile to the Z axis, because when we adding the fillet, the dimension constraint is deleted. Okay. Okay, it's now time to revolve. Select the sketch and the direction is Z. Oh, sorry, Y. Okay. Oops. Okay. Working with the small dimension or complicated sketch is sometimes make annoyance like that. I repeatedly make a mistake that finally I need to do again the constraint dimension. Another 75. Yup. Finally, my grand hook is done. Less hiding or sketch, so it will be easily to see the shape of the crane hook that we already make. Okay, we already made the crane hook. Thank you for watching my tutorial. See you at the next tutorial, and probably I will start to using assembly workbench and doing some simple assembly of some part. So thank you very much for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye.